Good morning, dear students of 5th class. Yesterday, we had discussed about physically challenged children, the difficulties faced by physically challenged children. Now, today, we are going to continue our chapter 4, Sensitivity towards others, with topic Inclusive Education. Now, first of all, what is the meaning of inclusive? Inclusive means including everything. Inclusive means including everything. And what is inclusive education? Inclusive education allows students of all backgrounds in the same classroom and in the same schools to learn and grow. So, what is inclusive education? Inclusive education allows students of all backgrounds in the same classrooms and in the same schools to learn and grow. Inclusive education. Experts dealing with physically challenged children, the experts dealing with these students advise that these children must be integrated with other children. That these children must be integrated means to mix with. Integrated means to mix with. So experts advise that these children must be mixed up with other children, and this type of education is known as inclusive education. Physically challenged children should be sent to a normal school. When they interact with other children, they develop confidence and understandings. When physically challenged children interact with other students, they develop their confidence and understanding. It automatically enhances their learning abilities. Enhances. The meaning of enhances means to improve something. To improve something. They overcome hurdles like shyness and hesitation. Now, the meaning of hurdles. Hurdles means difficulties or problems. Hurdles means difficulty or problems. So, when they interact with other students, they will overcome their hurdles and shyness or and hesitation. Hesitation means the act of pausing before doing something when they join the normal schools. So inclusive education is very much important for all the students. Inclusive education also benefits other students also. They not only develop an understanding of needs of special children but also develop a caring and sympathetic attitude towards them. Inclusive education also benefits other students because it develops understanding, and they come to know about the needs of special children and develop a caring and sympathetic attitude towards them. Sympathetic. The meaning of sympathetic means understand other people's feeling. The meaning of sympathetic means understand others people feelings. So this bring a great change in society. Everyone realizes the problems that special children face and work towards making their life happier. So, inclusive education is very much important for physically challenged children. And physically challenged children, what they need? They just need, first one is a positive attitude of the people around them, suitable infrastructure, taking care of needs of special children. The meaning of infrastructure is facilities. They need suitable facilities, taking care of needs of special children, therapists to keep and guide them, and most important thing, lots of love and care. So these are the things that physically challenged children need. Now there is a story of Helen Keller. Helen Keller is a symbol of courage for all of us. She was the first deaf blind person to get a Bachelor of Arts degree. Helen Keller was the first deaf blind person who get Bachelor of Arts degree, and she wrote over 12 books. How many books wrote? She wrote 12 books. She wrote 12 books, and the famous books are The Story of My Life, The World I Live in, Light in My Darkness, etc. And she worked hard to make the life of people like her better. And this world famous author, she's also a famous author also, and also become a political activist and lecturer. So Helen Keller was the first deaf blind person who get Bachelor of Arts degree, BA degree, and she wrote 12 books. So you have to today, so you we had read about the story of Helen Keller and about inclusive education. So all of you have to read about the page number 27 and 28 very carefully, and also learn the new words. And tomorrow we will continue our chapter with topic of socially deprived children. So for today you have to read this page number, and you have to understand this page number 27 and 28, and understand what is inclusive education. Thank you and have a nice day.